What's going on, guys? Today is, let's see, September 20th. Don't worry, we did not get rid of the Mustang. This is just a new project. If you look back, we did head gasket repair with the Red Devil stuff. Anyways, we'll get with that later. I'm just repairing it to sell this vehicle. It's in really nice condition. But anyways, that's not what today is about. Today is about new project coming in right here. Yeah, y'all hang tight and we'll see what we got. Alright, so here we are. This is at somebody's house, so I'm not going to film too much, but this tire is locked up. Oh,
goes reverse.
Oh, so actually,
oh, it's not locked up.
Yeah, well, good. Maybe it's just the drum brake needs adjusted. Oh. So, alright, well, we're going to load this sucker up. Okay, ready? Rock, stand away. Remember, that thing can snap. Okay. Point that way. Okay, now straighten it up. That worked out pretty good. I think we'll go a little bit more. Watch out, bro. A little more. Alright, that's probably good.
Somebody disconnect the winch?
Yeah, go ahead and disconnect the winch. So, kind of see how well this this winch worked. It goes all the way up front to the truck. Alright, we'll get back with you. We'll get back with you after we tie everything down. Alright, so we got it home. Before it gets too dark, I figure we'd go over it. So, this is a 1961 Chevy Apache c10. I'm gonna pop the hood. Inline 6-cylinder. It is not locked up. Like, you can see the motor turn. Missing a lot of stuff. We're missing radiator and all kinds of stuff. But
hopefully this rig over here works.
This will be a long-term project. Let's just go over this real quick. It is a 3 on the tree. As you can see, most everything is original. You got a little gun rack.
Can't go on a gun rack.
So we'll probably wind up taking this off because that's yeah, that's pretty bad.
Terrible.
But it's not in the best of shape, but then again, it's not in the worst of shape either.
We'll have to cut.
So do just kind of a walk around. It's a ice cooler. Pretty neat. This side is the worst side, but kind of to be expected. Again, 60-year-old vehicle. See if we can pop that dent out. So this will be Bryce's first truck. This is the youngest one. He's only 14. So he had a job at a mechanic shop, a friend of mine, cleaning up, taking out oil filters and trash and just, you know, just stuff. And so he saved up a lot of money, and then he started his own pressure washing job where he does driveways and sidewalks and stuff. And so guy had this listed for only $1,500, and we talked to him and stuff, and he liked it as a father-son kind of thing, so he got it down to $1,000. And guy was perfectly happy doing that. He's excited to see Bryce getting it, and Bryce hadn't shut up yet since he's got it. He did name it Chief, since it is a Apache. I think that's a pretty cool thing. He does want to keep it stock for now. He's one of the rare breeds. They don't make kids like this anymore. Just gotta say, because most kids want everything all you know, shiny and bright and new and all that stuff, but he wants to keep with the patina. And so the frame on this is really good as well. He already bought 4 tires. This one will probably be the spare tire, but I don't see how this one is holding air, but it's holding air. It's nuts. Obviously we're not going to drive on it, but it's holding air.
And these are original rims.
Could be.
Oh, I don't look like it.
I don't know. So he's got a lot to learn.
Yep.
He did buy an owner's manual, and what was the other book?
Supplement.
Supplement manual. So yeah, so the Mustang is still good. We'll just work on this as we can, get it running so it's a daily driver. There's no power steering, no power brakes. It's manual transmission, no AC. So it'll definitely make a man out of him, and probably no other kids that want to drive it. But anyways, y'all comment, rate. Thanks for coming along with us. And if y'all got any tips or tricks or anything that we want to know, let us know. We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. See ya. Okay, so here we are the next morning. I know it's kind of getting a little dark. We did WD-40 all the lug nuts, but go ahead and take you for a little bit better look inside. So gosh dang it. Hang on. Sounds good. Love you, bye. Okay, doke. So, yeah, floors probably need to be replaced. Bench seat needs to be fixed. You can kind of see that they already kind of fixed it a little bit, but everything is like really original. But the guy said that the previous owner was some kind of fisherman or something, because he did clean this out, but he said that there's just a whole bunch of what do you call it? A whole bunch of fishing lures all over the place. So, all right. I do think that this little cooler is really neat. Hopefully we can somehow restore that. That'd be pretty cool to keep. Let's try to look underneath. So, as you see, that the actual frame itself is actually pretty good. Just a bunch of surface rust. But yeah, can't believe this thing's holding air. That's nuts. Alright, let's go up a little bit further. Kind of look at the frame under here. Alright. What's that? Wonder what that's to. Oh, this cool looking light doohickey. Have to research into that. I don't know what that is. Looks like a light you can actually take out. That's pretty cool. Definitely keeping that. But yeah, again, these engines are super simple. Fuel bowl. Looks pretty bad. There's your 3 on the tree. We could start it up and it start knocking like crazy, or a piston rod sticking out the side, but like I said, it turns over pretty good. Feels like there's compression in there, but never know until we start. But yeah, he'll have about $1,200 that he can put into that. And again, he did buy all 4 tires and rims for $320. One of the tires was bald, you know, the one wheel peel somebody did. But for $320 for rims and tires, not a bad deal. At least it won't be sitting on something like that. And then that left front tire, it is definitely flat, will not hold air. Well, I guess it slowly leaks, but. And then we'll probably keep this one here for also on the top. Looks pretty good. But yeah, just kind of wanted y'all to see. Just kind of wanted y'all to see what it looks like in the daytime a little bit better. This is a different camera than the camera I was using to load the truck up on. So let me know which one you like better. Or if you can even tell a difference. Alright. Y'all comment right? We'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. See ya.